What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you would like to get into our V-Buck giveaway, then please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for all new videos and post notifications. Now, comment down below why you need these V-Bucks, and I will use a random comment selector to decide. So, once you go into Snapchat, you will see a red button on the top right. You scrolled all the way down to blocked. You see that? You click blocked, and you can just press on the X if you want to unblock them. And so I just did. And then you'd have to add them as a friend back again. And so, yeah, that's how you do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And please leave a like, subscribe, and tell me what tutorial I should do next.